So on the 53, I wanted my exhaust coming out through my side steps. So I had to do a little bit of modifying of the step himself. So I ended up trimming it off there, and then I had to widen it all the way to the back, and then I just angled it up. I grafted on this to try and make it look like there was a little bit of a flange there. And then once I got the hole cut, I had to make my own exhaust tips. And they actually turned out pretty well. So the exhaust isn't complete yet, but they're hanging there. And the gaps actually look fairly decent. And I can show you kind of how I made them.